Guys, welcome back, and you are here once again in the SCSR beautiful bathroom that was remodeled not too long ago. And right in front of us here today, we are taking yet another look at some different types of On shoes. And today, we have the Cloud Go Wide in size 9 male on Supercar Street Racing. Back in the Supercar Street Racing awesome bathroom, and sitting right here on top of this beautiful vanity are the Cloud Go Wides, and these are in the color black and shale. Now these are last year's models, so these are on clearance, so you can pick them up pretty cheap right now. They are about 20% off of their normal price, and all of the last year's models you can get on sale if they do have your size. One of the problems is though that usually my size is not available, so I have been buying these up as I can. But as of right now, these are the Cloud Go Wides for me, and I have not opened them yet, but we're gonna do that next, so let's go. Right on top of here is the On logo, which I call the chicken, because to me it looks like a chicken with a beak up in the air. But it is an On, not a chicken, and inside of this box there better not be any chickens, because today we are going to be unboxing the On Cloud Go Wide in size 9 male. And I do need wide shoes. I haven't had issues with any On shoes yet not being wide enough, but these are going to be extra wide, which is what I usually buy in my Asics for doing actual exercise. My On shoes are not for exercise, these are only for fashion. And let's turn this box around and see what the box looks like on the other side. And there we have the chicken logo again. And a reminder, these boxes are all environmental friendly. They are all made of recycle. The Cloud Go Wide's looking so fresh inside this box, I would almost guarantee it. So let's go ahead and open this guy. And inside we always find the On promise here about the 100% recycled cardboard right there. And only water-based inks, no oil-based inks as well, which is better for the environment. And then we have some recycled paper right here with the On chicken logo all around it. And then we just go and open it just like this. And there is the On, looking so fresh. The Cloud Go Wides, and that is in color black and shale. There weren't many left, and I thought this might be cool, so I went ahead and ordered black and shale Cloud Go Wides. The Cloud Go Wides looking so good in front of you guys today, and that's a little bit what they look like. Now let's get them out of the box here, and then inside of them they do come with a protective shoe condom that keeps them from losing their shape in the box, keeps them fresh in shipping. We'll go ahead and pull that out of the left shoe and go ahead and unbox the right shoe for you and pull off the protective shoe interior shoe condom for you guys, which it is very stuck. All right, yeah, got it. Now we see a good look at the Cloud Go Wides. And you can see on the side right here the Cloud Tech logo. And that is the first look at these. And next we take an in-depth look all the way around the Cloud Go. Starting at the front of the Cloud Go, we can see the On logo in a silverish white right on top of the black, and this is kind of a rubberish black right here. And then on the front they have the On logo again right there in black, which connects to the bottom of the rubber on the soles. And then right here they've got the Cloud Go logo on the top that runs right underneath the laces. And this is kind of cool. It has another lace up front here So the front lace is way further up than these laces. And then here's the black breathable material on the sides. Good look at the side. You do see these holes in the bottom of the sole and the On logo again in like a silverish. It might even match the color. It's a little bit more white than the actual shale color. And then moving towards the back, we've got these fashionable stripes that run both right here and right here. And then they go all the way and continue around the back here and repeat the same pattern on the other side. And on the back, there is just a slice up the middle right there from the bottom of the sole that heads up to the top of the shoe. And a good look right there at the top. Checking out the sole, the bottom of the CloudGo wide shoes. You can see they're wide right here is why they call them wide. They're sized wide. But on the bottom, they've got a pretty fashionable mix of the black rubber and the actual shale colored rubber there that continues all the way from one side to the other. And then they have the On logo right in the center in the channel that runs all the way from the front all the way to the back. Not sure what the purpose of that channel actually is, but we'll take a look at that online and see if they do mention what that is about. Right down below me in size 9 are the CloudGo wides, and you can see I am wearing my Asics. These are my everyday exercise shoes, so I had them on from my treadmill session this morning out there in the Supercar Street Racing sunroom. And now we are going to take off these Asics and give these CloudGos a fitment try. Now I do have pretty bad feet. I have pretty bad bunions and I have flat feet. So I'd rather not show my feet, but I will do it for this. And this is the whole point of having a wide shoe. And you can see those go on nicely, and they are extremely comfortable shoes already. I have some Pumas that I put on and they almost kill me, and I had to manually stretch them. But you can see right here with the low cut ankle white socks on, they look absolutely cool. The CloudGo. They feel awesome, and next we'll take them for a little spin and see how they feel in action. All right, we got the CloudGos on, and immediately I noticed towards the back of the shoe there is a dip down because that's the way the shoes are designed. They roll towards the back. As far as comfort goes, especially on the issues I have with my bunions on the side, no problems at all with that. No problems whatsoever. And they are extremely comfortable. They're actually more comfortable than these Asics that I just took off right here. Those Asics are about $45 shoes. These are $150 shoes if you pay full price for them. Very much different price point there. And these are extremely comfortable. And that's the treadmill I usually get on in the morning. But I do wear my Asics on the treadmill. I will not be wearing the Ons. I guess I could try them, but I am pretty comfortable on the treadmill with my Asics. But after walking in these for a good couple of minutes, they don't even feel that they will need a break-in. They just feel like very comfortable and ready to go. And I'm sure that you guys would love these if you get them, because I actually love them already. So let's throw them in the Supercar Street Racing studio closet and add them to the collection. Back inside the Supercar Street Racing closet, and you can see here the On collection is actually full. The only way we can add more to this is to take these Hucks and take them down and put them here, or we have space over here with the other boat shoes. Plenty of space right here. So that leaves us space now for the Ons over here, so we can increase the On foot collection. Let's go ahead and remove these guys and get them added to the collection. That means we are only 2 pairs short from filling up 3 shelves. And there we have the On shoe collection. There are 7 pairs right here, and then my flip-flops up on the top. And then over here on this side, we have the Puma collection. All Puma shoes, except for these are Guess. But all the rest are Pumas there. And now let's take it back to the 4K production studio and see what Brad has going on in there with these On Cloud Go shoes. Hey guys, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing once again. It's going to be a little noisy today. I've got roofers up on the roof right now, so bear with me as we hear some sounds from outside. But we're taking a look at the On Cloud Go wide shoes you just saw there in the Supercar Street Racing closet, and I have them up here on the screen right now, and those guys are actually $149.99. I got them on clearance for much cheaper, but those are $149.99. There will be a link in the description. I love these shoes so much. Just On shoes in general, I like a lot. So these are pretty cool looking, and I did get to walk around in them for quite a long time, and they are super comfortable. Now, when you go onto the On website, I'm going to show you guys how to do this, and there will be a link in the description, of course, to buy these. But when you go onto men's here, and you go on last season, we can just click on shoes. And I could not find them on the clearance section anymore, but I will try one more time here, because that's where I did buy them. Here are all the ones that are on sale right now, and when you go into these, make sure that you check if they have your size. If they don't, it won't allow you to even check the actual shoe. Like for instance, this Cloud 5 Ready. If I go in here, these are reduced by 20%, but if I hit my size, they do have my size in that. So that's what you have to make sure of when you buy their last season shoes, that your size is available. And taking a look on Amazon, Cloud 5. I'm just going to put it in Cloud shoes here. And there are all of the On Cloud shoes right there on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description for these guys. And please buy through our affiliate links and like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out greatly when you do that, and you don't even have to buy what is in the description. You can buy anything you want if you click on that link, and it gives us just a little bit of money. Get your On shoes. They're awesome. I have about 10 pairs now, and I love them, and we'll see you guys later. Peace out.